Best Hitch Cargo Carriers enhance your vehicle's storage capacity. When you're on the road, whether for a road trip or simply hauling extra gear, the last thing you want is to be crammed in with all your luggage. Hitch Cargo Carriers are an excellent solution to that problem, providing you with extra storage space without taking up room inside your vehicle. These versatile and sturdy accessories can be attached to your vehicle's hitch, allowing you to easily transport items like camping gear, coolers, luggage, or bikes without sacrificing interior space. In this article, we've rounded up the best hitch cargo carriers available, offering solutions for different needs and preferences. Whether you're seeking a heavy-duty option for large items or a more compact design for smaller loads, there's a hitch cargo carrier here that will suit your needs. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Machins 60x20x6 Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo. The Machins 60x20x6 Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier is a popular choice among vehicle owners who need extra space without compromising on convenience. This hitch cargo carrier is designed with a folding mechanism that allows you to fold it up when not in use, which is perfect for saving space. Whether you're hauling camping gear, luggage, or sports equipment, this carrier offers a generous 60x20x6 dimension, giving you plenty of room. Made from a heavy-duty steel, the Machins carrier is incredibly durable and built to last. It features a waterproof PVC material that ensures your gear stays protected from the elements, keeping your belongings safe and dry. The carrier also includes a secure loading ramp, making it easy to load and unload items without any hassle. This model is perfect for anyone looking for a carrier that is easy to store when not in use, but offers ample storage space when needed. Whether you're headed on a camping trip, moving, or transporting large items, the Machins Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier provides reliable, versatile storage for your vehicle. Number 2. Machins 60x24x6 Folding Trailer Hitch. For those who need even more space, the Machins 60x24x6 Folding Trailer Hitch Carrier is a great option. This larger carrier offers additional width, allowing you to carry larger or bulkier items. With a design that mirrors the smaller 60x20 model, it offers the same folding mechanism, allowing you to collapse it when not in use for easy storage. This carrier is built with a sturdy steel frame, offering both durability and reliability. Its waterproof material helps to protect your belongings, and the basket-style design ensures that your gear stays secure during transportation. The 60x24 dimensions provide ample storage for longer trips, making it ideal for large items such as luggage, coolers, or larger camping equipment. If you're planning to haul more gear or need extra room for bulky items, this Machins carrier is a solid choice that offers both space and practicality. Number 3. Machins 48x18x6 Heavy-Duty Trailer Hitch. If you're looking for a more compact yet heavy-duty option, the Machins 48x18x6 Heavy-Duty Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier fits the bill. This model offers a slightly smaller footprint but retains the same level of strength and durability as the larger options. Its compact size makes it ideal for users who don't need to haul oversized items but still require the extra storage capacity. Despite its more compact dimensions, this carrier is made from heavy-duty steel and features a waterproof PVC coating, ensuring that your gear stays safe and dry even in harsh weather conditions. The 48x18 size is perfect for smaller loads such as coolers, luggage, or smaller pieces of outdoor gear. This heavy-duty carrier is a great choice for anyone who needs dependable cargo space without the bulk of larger carriers. It's a practical and robust solution for everyday hauling needs, ensuring your gear is safely transported with ease. Number 4. Maxall 70107 Hitch Cargo Carrier. The Maxall 70107 Hitch Cargo Carrier is an excellent mid-range option for those seeking a balance of storage space and ease of use. This 53x19 cargo carrier offers a generous amount of room without being too large or cumbersome. It's perfect for transporting a wide range of items from camping gear to luggage or even bulky boxes. Made from durable steel with a black powder-coated finish, the Maxall 70107 is both sturdy and rust-resistant. Its large 500-pound weight capacity allows you to haul heavy loads without worry. The carrier's raised sides help keep items secure while in transit, and its mesh floor makes it easy to clean after transporting dirtier items like camping gear. Number 5. CURT 18152 60 by 24-inch basket hitch cargo carrier, 500 pounds capacity. For those seeking a robust, large-capacity carrier, the CURT 18152 60 by 24-inch basket hitch cargo carrier is an excellent option. This carrier offers a 500-pound capacity, providing enough room for heavy loads like large boxes, camping gear, or appliances. Its 60x24 size gives you ample space for larger items while keeping everything secure in its basket-style design. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, this carrier is built to withstand the elements and endure the rigors of frequent use. It also features a raised edge to help secure your items and prevent them from sliding out during transportation. The CURT 18152 is perfect for long trips, heavy-duty hauling, and those who need a reliable and durable hitch cargo carrier for bigger loads. Number 6. Mawkins 60x20x6 Heavy-Duty Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier. Another solid option from Mawkins, the 60x20x6 Heavy-Duty Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier combines ample storage space with a robust, durable design. This carrier is built to handle the demands of long trips, frequent use, and larger loads. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures that it will hold up well over time, while the waterproof PVC material keeps your belongings protected from the elements. The folding design allows for easy storage when not in use, and the 60x20 dimensions offer a good balance of size and practicality. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or need extra room for a move, this Mawkins carrier provides the versatility and strength you need to haul your gear safely and securely.